Hello everyone, today's video is on linear equation in one variable, but this time we will be dealing with more complicated problems. So suppose we have here number 1, we have 4x minus 3 over 5 is equal to 2x minus 7 over 8. What you're going to do here is to take a look on the denominators here. We have 5 and 8. So what we're going to do is we need to identify the LCM of 5 and 8. So the LCM of 5 and 8 is actually equal to 40. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to multiply 40 in each term. Okay, and so I can cancel this one out. 40 divided 5 is 8, and 40 divided 8 is 5. What next is I'm going to, so I have 8, 4x minus 3 is equal to, so I count out already everything except 5. So 5 times 2x minus 7. Next is I'm going to distribute 8 to 4x minus 3. So 8 times 4 is 32x minus 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. That is equal to 5 times 2 is 10x, and we have negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. This time, I'm going to combine terms that are similar. So I'm going to transpose 24 on the other side, and I'm going to transpose 10x on the other side of the equation as well. So what will happen now is that I have now 32x, so 10x will become minus 10x is equal to negative 35. So negative 24 will become plus 24. So 32x minus 10x is 22x. That is equal to 35 negative plus 24 is adding of an like sign. So it will become minus. So that is equal to negative 11. Since we have 22 as the coefficient of x, so we will divide both sides by 22. This will be cancelled out, so x now is equal to negative 1/2. Example number 2. For number 2, we have 1/5 times the quantity of 4 minus 3x is equal to 1/7 times the quantity of 3x minus 4. Again, here we have the numbers, okay, that is actually fraction. So we need to identify the numerator, or the denominator, and the denominators are 5 and 7. And the LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply 35 each side or each term. So I'm going to multiply 35. I'm going to multiply 35. So I can cut this one out. So that is 7. I can cut this one out. That is equal to 5. So I have now 7 times 1 is equal to 7. And then I will copy 4 minus 3x. That is equal to 5 times 1 is also equal to 5. And copy 3x minus 4. I'm going to distribute 7 to 4 minus 3x. So 7 times 4 is 28 minus 7 times negative 3x is negative 21x. So here we have 5 times 3 is I get 15x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. I'm going to combine now terms that are similar. So I have 28. I'm going to transpose 20 on the other side of the equation. So that will become plus 20. That is equal to 15x, copy 15x. And I'm going to transpose negative 21x to the other side of the equation. So that will become plus 21x. So I can combine them together. So that is 48. And then I can combine them together. So that is 36. 6x. Since we have 36 as the coefficient of x, so divide both sides by 36. 36, so that will be cut out. So this is 48 over 36, or you can have, if we are going to divide them by, say, let's start with, for example, 2. So if we divide them by 2, you will get 24 over 18. But still, you can divide 24 and 18 by 2. So, or actually, you can divide them by 4. So 24 divided 4 is actually 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And as you can see, okay, we can, 24, this is 4 actually, sorry for that. So the final answer now is 4 over 3, or that is the value of x. Example number 3. We have here the denominators, which are 8, 2, and 6. So what we're going to do here is to identify the LCM, which is actually equal to 24. So I'm going to multiply 24 each term in the equation. So 24, I can cut this one, 24 and 8, so that is 3. I can cut this one, that is equal to 12, and I can cut this one, which is equal to 4. So I have now 3 times the quantity of 5x minus 1 minus 12 times the quantity 5 minus 7x. That is equal to 4 times 3 times the quantity of 6 minus x. I can now distribute 3 to this quantity here. So I will have 15x minus 3. 12 will carry the negative symbol. So I will have negative 12 times 5 is negative 60. Negative 12 times negative 7, we can get positive 84x. Minus, or equal to, that is equal to 12 times the quantity of 6 minus x. So in the left-hand side of the equation, we can combine terms which are actually similar. So we can combine 15x and 84x, and we can combine this together. So that is actually equal to 99x negative 3 minus 60. It will give us negative 63. While to the right side of the equation, 12 times 6 is equal to 72. Minus 12 times negative x is minus 12x. This time, we can combine terms that are similar. So we will transpose negative 12 to the other side of the equation. So we have 99x transpose negative 12. That will become plus 12x. Copy 72. And then we transpose this negative 63 to the other side of the equation. So it will become plus 63. So you will get now 99 plus 12 is 111x. 72 plus 63, you will get 135. Divide both sides by 111. So that is now, okay. We cancel out 111. X is equal to 135 over 111, or that is equal to 1 and 8 over 37. Remember, class, that you always need to express your answer in simplest form if it's fraction. So that's number 3. Let's proceed to example number 4, which is actually the last example in this video. So for example number 4, we have 4x plus 1 minus 1/2 times the quantity of 3x minus 2 minus 1/3 times the quantity of 4x minus 1 equals 0. So again, we have fraction here. So we have 3 and 2 as a denominator. So obviously, the LCM is equal to 6. So what we're going to do here is, just like other examples, whatever the LCM is, we need to multiply it to every term in the equation. Okay, so we don't have anything here to cancel in first term, so we will multiply 6 and 4x, so we will get 24x plus 6 times 1 is 6. Here in the third term, we can cancel out 2 and 6, so we will get 3. 3 times 1 is equal to negative 3, so that's minus 3, and then copy 3x minus 2. In fourth term, we can cancel out this 3 and 6, so that is 2. 2 times negative 1, so that is minus 2. And then let's copy first 4x minus 1. That is equal to 6 times 0, we will get 0. Next is we copy or bring down 24x plus 6. We will distribute negative 3 here. So we have negative 9x plus 6 minus 2 times 4x is negative 8x or minus 8x. Negative 2 times negative 1, it will give us plus 2 equals 0. This time, we are going to combine terms that are similar, meaning we will combine 24, negative 9, and negative 8. Okay, so that will give us actually, so 24x minus 9 is 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7x. Now, we are going to combine the constants. So we have positive 6, positive 6, and positive 2. So we will get 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2 is 14. That is equal to 0. So 7x now is equal to, transpose 14 to the other side of the equation. So we will have negative 14. So divide both sides by 7. So cut that one off. So that is x is equal to negative 2.